Hey, what's up you guys, this is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another breakdown video. In this video, I'm gonna break down two pairs for you. I mean, I don't want to break down the pairs, but the trades that happened on those two pairs during New York session yesterday, and I want to show you exactly what happened, which was beautiful. And you know, I'm using the same strategy, a smart money concepts trading strategy with order block, or same as order block. And also, I want to show you the results of Gold EA Incubator, which is the gold trading robot that trades during London session on 5 minutes time frame. And we have 3 different accounts, and in combined, we probably have over $7,000 on in total invested in this robot. So this is the first account that we have $3,000 over $3,000. As you can see, the balance is $4,695. It's a real account, Canadian dollar, automated, and the profit is $1,695 since April 5th all the way to June 10th, which is today's date. June 9th is the last day, but it's not updated yet. 150% in profit. And this one, we are up over 58.76% in profit, which is $1,129 since April 15th. And this is the account that we manipulated ourselves because we wanted to test some stuff, and then that's why it kind of dropped from May 16th to May 17th. And this is exactly what happened because of our fault. But the new setups, the new default settings that are provided by the developer are much better, and we didn't change anything. We don't even trade manually on this one, and we are just growing our account. And since May 17th all the way to June 9th, we've been able to gain over 25%, and we are slowly getting back up to 137%. Very slowly, steady growth, and it's actually consistent. So this is exactly what happened with Gold EA Incubator. And without any further ado, let's get into our trades. So I'm going to show you the trades that happened in June 9th, and I want to do a little bit of replay for you and show you exactly what happened at 8 in the morning when New York session starts, and this is exactly when I start trading. So I'm going to delete everything so you don't get confused, and this is exactly what I start with every single day. And I start my day on 5 minute time frame on all the pairs that I want to focus on, which are usually NAS 100, GJGU, and EU. But on this one, I'm going to start with NAS 100 because it was a beautiful trade. So when you open the chart on 5 minute time frame, I can't see any high probability demand zone, and I personally can't see any high probability demand zone around this area, because as you can see, the last 2 candles, oh, actually there is one right here. Sorry about that. I thought that there's no space, but actually there is. If I take the last 2 candles, you'll see that, oh, let me see, actually, no, I was right, because this is the first candle that got out of the zone, and the next candle after that, just started from inside, so there's no gap in between. So I'm going to delete this one. There's no high probability demand zone, I was right. And there's actually one high probability supply zone right here, from here to here. So this is a high probability supply zone because this is the first candle that just dropped. The next candle after that, there's a gap. You know what the definition is. If you don't know, check out my previous videos. I always talk about this strategy that works 80% of the times, no doubt. So I'm going to wait to see if the price is going to tap into this level. But in general, we have an uptrend market because it started consolidating for a little bit, and then we started seeing some sort of break of a structure towards upside. So higher highs and higher lows, and it's just going up like that. So as you can see, I'm going to go forward to see if anything goes on. As you can see, nothing's happening. We also started creating another high probability supply zone right here, and then I'm going to see what's going to happen. So as you can see, this is the candle that literally tapped into the zone. So if you really want to use buy stop and sell stop, you need to put your sell stop here, your stop loss here, and then your TP right here if you want to take a one-to-one trade. But look at this, guys. Where are you exactly putting your TP? You need to look left to see if you have any high probability demand zone that we need to take, or if you have any liquidity grab. So we have a liquidity grab here, and I'm going to put my TP here. So there might be a chance that the price just keeps going down because, you know, it's actually bearish right now, to reach this level and grab the liquidity that is below this level. But it didn't happen because I literally get a stopped out and it's a huge candle, and I personally don't like it that much. So if you want to take a trade here, you get a stopped out. And then this one gets disrespected. We have this one right now, and we have this high probability demand zone here, because this is the last bearish candle. And if I cover the entire candle, you'll see that it starts from here, ends here, and then we have a gap that literally forms after this. So there's a gap from this candle to this one right here. So that's a gap here. So, you know, high probability demand zone, you just wait for the price to tap into this level, which it did. And then after that, look what happened. I love this candle here that literally formed inside the high probability demand zone. So what you can do, again, use your buy stop here, your stop loss here, and then your TP here if you want to take a one-to-one, or you can literally take it all the way to the next high probability supply zone. And I use Profit Mastery Incubator for this one, which automatically calculates my risk to reward ratio in less than a second. So I have a video for that, guys. Go check it out. It's going to make everything easier for you. And if you check out our website, you can see that as well if you want to use buy a stop and sell a stop. So as you can see, if I want to actually do it, you see that it actually goes up like this, and it is smash my TP. Not quite smashing my TP yet. It actually smashed my TP. So if I want to take my TP here, that would be a bad lock, because it literally went all the way up here and then it just came back. So I'm not sure whether I'm gonna get a stopped out or not. I will get a stopped out. So I need to take it somehow a little bit lower than that, and it's 1 to 1.5. I don't usually do that. I take my trades in 1 to 1. So if I want to take it, I take it right here, which is 1 to 1, and then I get out of the market. So what I'm saying is that when you see such a candle inside a high probability demand zone, just put your buy stop, your stop loss here, your TP here, 1 to 1, get out of the market, you're good to go. So this is exactly what happened on NAS 100. So the second trade that I want to show you happened on GBPJPY. Again, the same thing, beautiful setup. And if I do a replay for you, you see that it's exactly happened right here. So this is 8 in the morning, New York session. You know, we have a downtrend market because we have so many lower lows and lower highs, as you can see right here. Break of the structure towards downside, break of the structure here, and then right after that, I noticed that we have a high probability supply zone right here. And the reason is that this is the last bullish candle. If I cover the entire candle, this is the first candle that actually dropped, and the next candle after that never tapped into the zone. There's a gap, high probability supply zone, and then this is what my target was, and it literally tapped into it. See, guys, at 7:55. So what you can do is to put your sell stop here using Profit Mastery Incubator. As I said, if you want to make it so much easier to have 100% accurate lot size based on the risk that you want to take, and then just take your entry, super easy. And then you put your buys, your stop loss over there, and then your TP could be right here, which is exactly 1 to 1. And if you want to do that, you see that it doesn't get triggered. It doesn't. Oh, it was right here. My bad. This one didn't get triggered because my sell stop was here, and then it never reached my sell stop. So that's totally fine. You can just remove it. You don't get a stopped out. This one didn't get respected. This one actually did. The one above that. So see that we have two back-to-back high probability supply zones, and if I see that, I automatically remove this one even if it works, because we have two back-to-back high probability supply zones, and there's always a high chance that the price wants to go for the furthest one. So this one literally tapped into the zone. Again, you can put your sell stop here, your stop loss above the previous candle, and then you can put your TP here, which is exactly 1 to 1, and then you can take your trade. It would be a beautiful 1 to 1 trade. And as you can see, guys, I'm just using and the reason I'm super confident about taking like sniper entries like that and get it quickly, because you're trading on a 5-minute time frame, is because I'm using Profit Mastery Incubator, and I'm not manually calculating my risk to reward ratio to see which one is the best one. And I just don't risk too much, because if you're in rush and you want to take a sniper entry like that, it's gonna be much harder, guys. I'm just showing you what happens, but if you are actually doing it, it's gonna be a little bit stressful. if you don't know how to properly calculate your risk over ratio and you don't know exactly what the proper lot size is. So that's why Profit Master Incubator can literally help you, and it's super cheap, guys. If you're a trader, it's actually a peanut for you, and you can literally have it lifetime. And then you can literally use it every single time when you're scalping the market. You can find all the information down below in the description. And also, this is how you can take it. If you are taking a one-to-one trade, as I said on my previous video, that if you take like 20 pips, 13 pips, 10 pips every single day consistently, your trading journey will definitely change. And I can guarantee you guys. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so next time when I upload a video, you'll get notified super fast. And if you have any question regarding Gold EA Incubator, feel free to ask us your questions. You can check out our website. We have a live chat there, and then our support team will get back to you as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video again, and see you on the other side.